Hey you, so just another little thought on this dipole electrical system. So you got, where's my pencil? You got the negative and positive torus fields, and this central plane, inertial plane, that gets a sun pulse fired across once a day. The rising through the seasons of the pulse to the higher section can cause, because of how close the pulse is to the upper torus, it causes this sort of bowing effect, which means we see what we think is a sun kind of going around. And I think that when you get high enough up, if you travel high enough up, perhaps you see what appears to be the full ring. Arguably you could achieve the same thing in the south, but I think what is compelling, I wanted to just make this video because I thought, while I was chewing over what I'd said earlier, I thought, well, this probably explains why the star trails are rotating in the opposite direction, because what you've got is you've got a torus turning in a clockwise and an anti-clockwise direction. I haven't thought about which is which, but one's turning in one direction and one's turning in the other direction. I assume this is what we see up in the north, and that's what you see in the south. So that's probably indicative of the fact that these torus fields are turning. And when we look out from the plane and we see the stars, then we're seeing the stars turning sort of, or reflecting from the torus that is nearest us. So the southern hemisphere dudes are down here, and northern hemisphere dudes are up here. When they get up into Scandinavia or whatever, they're all the way up here. I don't think anyone's ever got all the way up here, but that's another conversation. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. Just some more truth talks on reviewing the torus, traditional idea of the apple torus versus like the scarab beetle double torus. Actually, two torus fields, dipole electromagnetic fields with a central inertial plane with a pulse that shoots once a day across here. We inhabit this little bit here, somewhere around here, I guess. Alright, hope that's helpful. Trinity 4 over.